how to deposit money into Coinbase and buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can deposit money into Coinbase in order to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to deposit money to your Coinbase account and buy Bitcoin or any of the other cryptos, what you want to do is first of all, just make sure to launch the Coinbase application. You're not Coinbase wallet, but the normal Coinbase application that you have. Then just make sure that you're signed into the account. Now, in order to proceed to actually buy some cryptocurrencies, what we're going to do is first of all, if it says this, then I want you to actually use a VPN if it says check connection status. So I'm going to go ahead and then simply open up my VPN application here. Then I'm going to go ahead and then simply connect to a specific VPN in this case. So let me go ahead and do that. Once I've done that, I'm just going to come back to refresh the Coinbase application here. And as I refresh the Coinbase application, now what I will do is I'll go ahead and relaunch it again. Now, once you relaunch it, you will be able to notice that I'm successfully signed into my account. And what I need to do is I just need to scroll until I get to a section where it says buy. So let the web application to load up fully over here in this case. Once the Coinbase application has been loaded up, you just need to scroll down and just tap this little buy button. Once you tap the buy option, just select Bitcoin or maybe even any of the other cryptocurrencies that you might want to buy over here. So just go ahead and select those options. Once you select those options, what you want to do is it will ask you to verify your information. So make sure to verify the information. And while trying to buy Bitcoin or any of the other cryptocurrencies, it will also prompt you to fill in the payment methods if you want to deposit money. And after you fill in the payment methods and deposit money, and then you'll be able to successfully buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. This way you can deposit money into Coinbase as well as also buy cryptocurrencies. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.